Okay, Mommy, today's Mommy's birthday, and today Mommy's gonna open her present. Comment down below what this is.
Huwag masyadong malikot.
Hey, Mommy. Open, Mommy.
So, who's this from?
Me!
And RB?
No, just me.
Coloring sheet.
Yeah, it's a coloring book.
Oh. Happy birthday, Mommy!
I'm so sad.
Don't be sad.
Okay, open. Take off the... Yes, open.
So, I'm going to open RA's
Take off the card
birthday
first.
gift.
Take off the card.
Since today is my birthday.
Take off the card.
Okay. I'm taking the card. Oh.
That was easy.
Should I open it?
Yeah.
Ah.
Show it.
Ah.
This is my name.
Show.
Orby and
Show it.
Orby.
Show it. This is RA's birthday message for Mommy.
And it's a charm necklace that, like, you know, like those things that have on a necklace.
Locket?
Yeah, a locket. It has our
Okay.
names in it.
Aww. What about Daddy's name?
Can't fit it in.
Oh,
Read the note.
okay. Happy 38th birthday, Mom. I hope you will love my gift. Thank you for bringing me to the world. Thank you for being a mom. I love you. Thank you, anak. Okay, then. I love you too, ate. Love you, Arby.
I love you.
What's this?
It's
I'm scared to open.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
I will help you open.
Okay. Arby, ang daming tape naman, bebe.
I bought it by myself.
You bought it? Where did you get money?
Wait.
I've been saving up.
Oh.
Let Mommy open it now, Ivy. Ivy, let Mommy. I want Mommy now.
Wow! It's an iPhone.
I knew
An
it.
iPhone, right?
I knew
I think this is familiar to me. Okay, let's see. What's inside? Oh, like this now. It's an iPhone. She gave me an iPhone box. So this is the gift. It's an iPhone. Go girl. Go power.
Girl.
Girl power. So it's an iPhone.
That's the That's the picture that you have on your home screen.
Yes. So this is artwork of RA.
I can
Like
do.
an iPhone.
I can do that
A
better.
cell phone.
I can do that better.
Yeah. Thank you.
It's an Apple phone.
Is it?
It's a paper phone.
Paper phone, yeah. That's RA and RB. Thank you, baby. I love it.
I don't love it.
How come you don't love it?
I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
I used your favorite color.
Ate pranked me.
I used your favorite color, blue.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
I appreciate it, Ate.
I copied after on Lola's phone. That's why I needed Lola's help.
Yeah. You did a good job, Ate.
And I used box for Lola's phone.
Yeah, I know. That's why I said it's familiar. Because that's Lola's. We're supposed to go to the city today, but Daddy's foot is sore,
Mommy's scared.
and I don't want to drive today because it's my birthday, and stay home and holiday today in Canada. It's Remembrance Day.
Mommy,
I don't know.
can I tell you something?
I know. It's too close.
No, it's not.
Hi guys, I didn't see you guys. Hi guys, I didn't see you guys there. We're making Puto for Mommy's birthday. It's a Philippine dish.
See, that's the Puto mix. She made that?
Target may sa tilintik yung wala. Target may sa tilintik.
How many are you making,
Oh.
ate?
As much as I can.
And Tito is cooking dinuguan. That's the dinuguan. And right now, I'm preparing the steamer for the puto. And puto is the... Hi, Lola.
Mommy,
Puto is the match of dinuguan.
mommy,
An anak.
I'm putting there's the plastic beside the metal.
Yep, that's okay.
So I have more room.
Yep.
I think I have some more room for tiny ones.
No,
Okay.
just put them
Now put them in the middle.
the middle.
Oh, I have 2 more big ones.
Meron ka pang doon. Another layer.
Yeah.
When?
Huh?
Tito has Christmas party daw.
Where?
December 11.
Anati dalam po to?
Maday ko rin ko direct pa.
Lamis.
Maday. Igado or direct dakal.
You can see.
Igado.
See Daddy.
I know.
Use this smaller container.
I have to use this.
Ate loves cooking, right, ate?
And I love drinking this one.
Oo, matapon na.
I just do it.
Doesn't fit? It does fit. Fits?
Look at this.
That's enough na ate. That's Lola there. She's supervising Tito. So I'm spoiled today. I'll just do this and assisting RA. Now I'm Puto mixtures to the steamer.
And now we're going to make my quesadillas.
Yes. And then the second layer, the bigger ones. That one. For the dinuguan.
Para bawat mo ito ta.
The puto.
Ang silita, uri may sarap.
That's the puto. That's our dinuguan. Thank you, Master Chef Dexter. Thank you, Lola.
Tama.
Sarap. Ayan. Mali na kayo, guys. Maki-birthday. Yummy.
Hindi lang
Yan. Dinuguan daw ng Goldilocks yan. Order na kayo. Tapos ito naman ang aming puto. Puto, wala ng cheese kasi para sa dinuguan.
Mary, little shit.
Anong kinakain mo, Dad? Ba. Dad, yung kinakain mo? Birthday. That looks yan. Try it na. Bigyan mo nga, Han.
Little
Hot?
We will just go next time. Hot, be careful.
That's what comes into my mind. And Puto and Dinuguan.
Sarap? Hot. Oh no! Blow! Napasok na siya. Oh my God.
You should.
Daddy, masarap? Yung mga handa, no? Say hi, RT.
No?
Si Arby, what are you going to do? Arby, what are you going to do? She's shy again.
You want it now or
What Lola's doing? So this is what we are doing right now. During my birthday, busy cooking, busy eating, si Chef for the dinuguan. Thank you very much, Tito.
Mali ko yan, pati pinapainan niya.
coming soon.
Sarap?
That's too good.
It's too good.
That's the menu.
That's Lola's recipe. Arby's eating puto. They love puto.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 left. We're gonna make more.
Pasti mo lang itong plana.
Action! Okay. Hi guys. Today we're going to reveal the winner. First we're going to reveal the color. So, get your guesses. Make sure you don't cheat. Don't cheat. Okay guys, I'm going to reveal the color and the 5 people who won the $20. So, the color is not purple. Okay, the color is not orange. It's not green. Just kidding, it is. It's green. Okay, guys, we're going to announce the top 5 winners. Sorry if you say your name wrong.
No, I will help you.
Sorry if you get your name wrong by accident. We'll try our best.
Okay. So the first winner
Is Neil Brian Badwa.
Okay, Neil Brian Badwa. Woo!
You got $20.
You got the first.
$20. That doubles that, so it's $40.
What?
I'm just kidding. $20. Okay. Vivi Joy Sonny.
Vivian.
Vivian Joy Sonny.
Is the second winner.
So $10. I'm
$20.
just kidding. $20.
Okay, RB, you wanna say something? You wanna say the third winner? The third winners.
Miana Ajono.
Agonoy.
Agano. Oh,
Yeah, Mirna Agonoy.
and Milagros Kainglit.
Kainglit.
Kilingit.
Kainglit.
Kilingit.
Kainglit.
Kilingit.
Milagros Kainglit. The
Roy
fourth.
Ross. The fifth. The fifth winner is Roy Roger
Kainglit.
Kainglit.
Yan po ang mga
Jesus.
nanalo ng $20. So,
And our shoutouts.
and our shoutouts. The price, I will take care of it and then I will send it to you. I'll just personal message you or PM you. And then I'll let you know. I'll send it right away tomorrow or on the 12th.
Shout out. So start our shout outs.
Yes.
Shout out to Evelyn.
Hi, Evelyn. You want to say hi, RB?
Hello. Thank you for participating.
And Tito DJ, he commented first, but he got the wrong answer. He answered purple.
First, Tito.
Dexter Jan. Say hi to Tito.
Hello, Tito.
Hola.
Hello, Dexter. Hello, Dexter John.
Okay. Shout out to Neil Brian, Vivian Joy, Kimber, Myrna, Olive, Spinix 21 TV.
Sorry if you say that.
Yeah.
Mila, Mila,
Mila.
Mila.
Mila,
Oh,
Roy.
hi, Mila.
Roy. Hello.
Gina.
Gina.
Regina.
Regina.
Martin.
Marcina.
Martin. There's
Hello.
Martina.
Rosemary. Rosemary. Yeah. The same name with Lola Rose.
Oh yeah, and food.
Dulce. That's Tita Dulce. Hi, Tita Dulce.
Hello, Tita Dulce.
Dorothy Joy. Hi.
Hello, Benny.
Benny. Hi. Please.
Rain, wait.
Rian.
Rian.
That's Tita Rian.
Tita Mia.
Say hi.
Hello.
Joey. Joey Alapitan. Hi. Dread. Hi, Dread.
Hi, Drake.
Yeah, she's always saying shout out. Hi, Mildred. That's Tita Mildred.
Oh, hello, Tita Mildred. Okay.
Jania. Say hi to Jania.
Johnny or Johnny.
Jani.
Maybe.
Or
Jania.
Janae.
No, maybe. Sorry if you said right. Or wrong.
Wrong. Ross Layer. Hi.
Hello.
Take care.
I like the rose.
Better luck next time.
I like names with rose.
Yeah.
Susie.
Susie. Hi, Susie. Manang. Josephine.
Hello.
Hi. Maricel. Hi, Manang. And then, hi, Ate Irma. And Rachel. Kuya Vincent. Hi. Oh, what else?
Shout out to Lola Tess.
Shout out to Lola Tess.
Lola Tess.
And shout out to everyone who helped us. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Huwag kayong magsasawa sa amin. Since we are just started vlogging. And please continue support us.
And wait.
You're a
Star.
star.
This one.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm tired.
You're tired now. The vlogger is tired. RA. Hi, I wanna say hi, RB? No? Say hi, come. Okay. Okay.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Thank you, baby. Ate. Okay, let's
Hello.
have a good night, everyone.
Click
Take
over
care.
here to subscribe. Wait, say click. Okay,
Always be.
always be humble and be kind. Bye-bye.
Take care.
Take care.